Well, time is running out to file your taxes, and for some people, this year could be a headache with the need for extra documents. Local 5's Larissa Leone has everything you need to know about filing and help for those who need it.
Samantha, that's exactly right. Tax season is coming to a close with a little less than a month to file. Tax experts are encouraging everyone to book those appointments or set aside some extra time to get those taxes finished and fast. With the pandemic and inflation, many people may need assistance finding free services, and here in Central Iowa, there is help available. If you haven't gotten around to filing your taxes, the time left to avoid them is running out. Brandon Short, district manager with Jackson Hewitt, says this year's tax season looks different from last, with one of the biggest changes being a child tax credit.
A lot of people got checks in the mail the last half of last year, which was part of the child tax credit they were kind of paying up front. So one great thing about that is, though, it's a lot more this year. So for most people, it was $2,000 for a child last year. Now it's up to $3,600 per child this year.
Short says the changes with filing unemployment documents have been an unpleasant surprise for many taxpayers this season.
If you're on unemployment, you're paying taxes on that. That is considered income and taxable. So that's another thing that I don't think I've seen a lot of people come in and didn't understand that.
If you aren't able to pay to get your taxes done, Andy Tabakhorst, a representative for the Volunteer Tax Assistant Program, also known as VITA, says there is help available.
Through VITA, Central Iowans who qualify can bring their information into one of our 2 locations in Des Moines and have their tax return prepared by a certified tax preparer for free.
To qualify for the VITA program, you must earn moderate income or less, are a person with a disability, a person who speaks little to no English, or if you are a senior citizen. Brandon Short says if you don't file your tax returns on time, you can expect a penalty.
If you don't file your taxes on time, you basically get a penalty, right? And that's 5% every single month of what you owe, up to 25%.
Tax experts want to remind everyone there is not a month extension this year. Taxes are due Monday, April 18th, and they tell me they are concerned with the amount of people who have yet not filed as of now, and they are encouraging you to book an appointment as soon as possible before there are no availabilities. Reporting live in studio, Larissa Leone, Local 5 News, We Are Iowa.
Important information there. Thank you, Larissa. So how can you keep track of your return? The IRS has a tool on their website. It's irs.gov/refunds.